When I first became an engineering manager many years ago, my boss told me, Tomek, you have a great people skills and you will have no problem transitioning into a leadership role. Well, I was flattered and excited, but the truth is I was terrified. I had no clue how to be a good engineering manager because I spent all my time learning to code. Well, the first thing I did was I read everything I could get my hands on about being a good leader. On my drive to work, I listened to podcasts. I even took part in some training seminars. But soon I realized that the most of educational material I was learning from was not specific to the challenges of managing the development, the deployment and maintenance of applications and dealing with software engineers who are a new rock stars. Software engineers are celebrities right now. Well, I then looked back and assessed my former engineering managers to see if I could mirror their management style. I was hit with another revelation. They weren't that good either. At least nobody that I could identify and say, wow, he really inspired me to be a great engineering manager. So on that day, I made it my mission to dedicate my time to answering this one ultimate question. How do you become a great software engineering manager? On this channel, I will share all lessons I've learned in the search to answer these questions. I will share with you advice on a variety of topics in software engineering management, topics like building trust, giving feedback, analyzing work output, conducting one-on-ones, and discussing personal and career growth with your software engineers. I firmly believe that every engineer deserves a great manager. And I can assure you that you will feel more confident over time and be that engineering manager that all software developers want to have. Thank you for joining and be sure to subscribe to our channel.